Welcome to my channel. What to do when orbitloginnet login page doesn't load. 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your phone or laptop is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. 2. Use the correct URL. Always type http://orbitlogin.net. Avoid typing https. 3. Try the default IP address. If the URL doesn't open, enter 192.168.10.1 or 192.168.0.1 in your browser. 4. Restart your router, extender. Turn off your Orbit device and router, wait 10 seconds, then turn them on again. 5. Use a different browser. Try Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Sometimes the issue is browser-related. 6. Disable mobile data, if on phone. Use only Wi-Fi. Mobile data blocks local login pages. 7. Clear browser cache. Go to browser settings, right pointing arrow, clear cache plus cookies, right pointing arrow, refresh the page. 8. Disconnect VPN, proxy. If you're using VPN, turn it off. VPN blocks local IP pages. 9. Ensure you're connected to Orbit Wi-Fi. Connect to the extender network like Orbit Ext, Orbit Setup, or similar. 10. Reset the Orbit extender. Press and hold the reset button for 8 to 10 seconds, right pointing arrow, reconnect and try login again. Thank you for watching.